are, back on the beach, rods are set, useless angler is at it again, and tonight we're at Hayling Island.
So come and light me up, I still need your fire, baby, I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby, I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Light me up, can't get enough. Take your time, just do it right. We will rise to the skies, 'cause we ain't done till we hit the sun. Got to be
What's happening, guys? So we've been here about hour and a half now, something like that. That's the nephew over there in the distance. Winding the rods, both baits. Well, on the left hand rod on the Akios, I've only got a 2-hook flapper, one up, one down, really. Size 4 hooks. What am I thinking? Picked up the wrong trace wallet, didn't I? Never mind. So yeah, size 4 hooks. I gave it a bash with worm, one cast, crabs. Clearly have been nicking it. So I've now gone pennel on both. On the left hand I've got a pennel dropper, 4 O's. On the right hand I've gone even bigger than that. I've got 6 O's, circle works. Sandy on the left, bluey on the right. Stuck in the middle with no fish. I've got to say as well, it is a lot colder than what I thought it was going to be, but we're going to keep on persevering. We're going to see if we can winkle something out on this cold goddamn night. Right, we're back again, still on the second cast, but I mean, I can't really tell, but my right rod is doing some funny things, and I can't tell if that's weed or if it's a fish. And I ain't going to wind it in because I've got a great big 6-0 hook on that. Knowing my luck, it's a little rocklin having a dabble at a massive bluey bait. But yeah, I can't really tell. We'll find out in a minute. The wind's eased off, so it's not so cold as what it was. There's a nephew's rod. He's just wound in. He had a little knock, but came to nothing. So he's... What bait are you putting on? It's over there.
I don't know. I'm gonna stick with the worm for the one hook and switch it out for another.
Right, so he's got worm on one hook, and then he's going to put something else on the other hook. He doesn't know what. It's useless. How ironic. Right, we'll bring you back in a bit. Right, brought you back again. Really nothing to report, to be fair. The rod that is doing funny things was hooked up to the greatest spotted weed fish. Yeah, great. But I have found another rig, a 2-hook, size 2, normal size hooks, size 2 flapper. So I'm gonna chuck that on in a minute and scratch around just to see what else is about. But yeah, 3 rods, 3 lots of casts, not even a proper bite really. But we'll keep ploughing on, Right, brought you back. Bit of a sit rep just to tell you that nothing's happening. Like, literally, nothing. Not even a bite. That is a bit of an understatement. So, on the nephew's rod, we've now put fresh black lug and a peeler crab because he's got 3 O hooks on his flapper. I didn't realise that either. On mine, I've got a whole fillet of mackerel on the 4 O's, and black lug and a mackerel strip on my 1 up 1 down rig, but it's still not doing anything really. It's, yeah, pants. What's the time? 11. So in all fairness, it's still like 2.5 hours until high tide, but yeah, we've even gone and made ourselves a cup of tea. There you go, cup of tea. I've got one in here somewhere, because you know how it always goes, you make a cup of tea and then the fish bite, but over here fish are obviously making a cup of tea as well. But yeah, we'll sit it out. It's not that cold anymore ish. Yeah, the wind has stopped. It's a really clear night as well, but we'll keep on plugging away, see if we can get anything out of the misery that is blanking. Right guys, I brought you back because the nephew has caught the first fish of the night. I'm not going to say anything, I don't think it counts, but he's happy.
Look at that.
There you go. Alright, we've got to walk back a little bit. Little 3-bearded rockling. How fat he is.
Never know, might be pregnant.
No. Idiot.
I don't know, I don't go fishing.
Idiot. That's going to be on YouTube forever. But yeah, so he's got a little rockling on a 3 O hook. Black lug as bait. I can't actually believe that he's now beating me at fishing. But yeah, fair play to him. Fish is a fish. Right, brought you back because at last I finally got a fish. Dogfish. And that was on squid and mackerel wrap on a pretty dropper. But that is a proper fish, sort of. Saves a blank. Boom!
So come and light me up. I still need to fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up. Let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Baby, you light me up.
Right, guys and
I
girls,
just can't get
that's pretty much it for our adventure this evening. 1 dogfish, 1 rockling. Yeah, it wasn't the greatest of shows, but I've still got loads of bait left, so that means I could get out again. Get in there. Hope you liked it. Sorry it was a bit pants, but yeah, give us a like and subscribe, and I'll promise things will only get better next time.